Unleash your inner blogger, a beginner's guide. Do you have a passion for baking scrumptious treats? Or maybe video game reviews course through your veins? Whatever your niche, a blog can be the perfect platform to share your voice with the world. But for the nervous beginner, the process can seem daunting. Fear not, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and resources to launch your blog with confidence. Finding your focus. Before diving in, take a moment to identify your blog's purpose. Are you passionate about travel photography? Aim to create a haven for photography enthusiasts. Do you have a knack for crafting financial plans? Help others navigate the world of personal finance. This focus, or niche, will guide your content creation and attract a specific audience. Platform power. Now, it's time to choose your blog's home. Popular options include WordPress.com, free, user-friendly, and Wix drag and drop interface, great for design. Both offer free plans with limitations, but paid upgrades unlock features like custom domains, yourblog.com instead of invalid URL removed, and additional storage. The name game. Your blog's name should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Brainstorm keywords that capture your essence and use a domain name checker to see if your dream name is available. Building your blogosphere. Once you've chosen your platform and secured your domain name, it's time to personalize your blog. Most platforms offer a variety of themes, which are essentially pre-designed layouts. Explore the options and pick one that complements your niche and reflects your style. Don't worry, you can always tweak the colors, fonts, and images to make it your own. Content is king. Now comes the fun part, creating content. Here are some handy resources to get you started. Grammarly. This free app helps you polish your writing by checking for grammar mistakes and suggesting improvements. Canva. Create stunning visuals like infographics and social media shareables to spruce up your blog posts with this free graphic design platform. Hemingway Editor. This free online tool helps you improve the readability of your writing by highlighting complex sentences and suggesting alternatives. Spreading the word. Once you've published your first masterpiece, don't be a shy blogger. Promote your work on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share snippets of your blog posts and engage with potential readers. Consider joining online communities related to your niche and share your work there as well. The final pixel. Blogging is a journey, and there will be ups and downs. But with dedication, creativity, and the right tools, your blog can become a thriving online space. Remember, the most important ingredient is your passion, so unleash it and let your voice be heard. Bonus tip: consistency is key. Schedule regular posting times to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more.